Take a look at this IXL right here. This is slopes of parallel and perpendicular lines. There's just really two things that you need to remember. Parallel lines have same slope, and perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slope, which that sounds crazy, but we'll talk about it in a second. So parallel slope is same. So if it's negative 4/7 and negative 4/7, I mean that's the same thing, right? So you just mark those parallel. Okay, on this one, it has line U, slope of negative 8/3, and we want perpendicular to U. So you do the negative reciprocal. So, let's start. You flip the sign. If this started negative, then you go positive, and then you take the fraction and flip it. So if it started 8/3, then you flip it 3/8. So we're just going to flip that to 3/8. Okay? This one, line T has a slope of negative 6/7. Line U is parallel. So if it's parallel, same slope, right? Bam, easy stuff. Okay, this one, parallel. So we do same slope, 9/5. Okay, on this one, we're doing perpendicular. So we are going to take this slope, make it positive, and flip the fraction. So negative 7/6 becomes positive 6/7. Negative reciprocals. Easy stuff. Alright, this one, it's not just giving us slope, it's giving us equation. But that's not a big deal. Just look at the slope, that's all we care about. Negative 7/8 x and 8/9 x. Well, they look kind of flipped, but all they did really was change a few numbers around. These are not negative reciprocals. If you had negative 7/8, you would need 8/7. So they're neither. They're just skew lines in the plane. So it's asking us, the equation of line E is y equals 2/5 x plus 5. We want perpendicular. So we're going to take this slope and make it negative because it started positive, and flip the 2/5 into 5/2. So that should take care of this. We're going to do parallel, same slope. So whatever that coefficient of x is, 5/7, go with that. We're doing parallel, same slope, 7/4. We're doing perpendicular, take this slope, flip it, make it positive, so 9/7. So when you get to this level, you'll actually have to work the slope out with the slope formula. So you do 18 minus 9 divided by 5 minus 9. So that equals 9 divided by, and then 5 minus 9, that's going to be negative 4. So if I'm going to do a parallel line, I need same slope. So I need negative 9/4. So let's go ahead and do negative 9/4. Alright, as you can see, I'm passing. You would have to do a couple more of these to bump your score any higher, but that should get you started.